Hi everyone. Sorry my voice sounds a little off. I caught a cold yesterday. So tonight I am making PotLuck Pasta. What all goes into the PotLuck Pasta? 2 15-ounce can of spaghettiOs, and this is 15.8 ounces. 1/2 pound of extra lean ground beef. I'm actually going to make a little bit bigger batch, so I'm going to have 1 pound. 8-ounce canned peas drained. I don't have any canned peas, so I've got 12 ounces of mixed vegetables frozen, and I thawed that, and I'm going to be using the whole thing. 1/3 cup sour cream. I'll probably use a little bit more. And 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So let's begin. Preheat oven to 400. It says to get a stovetop compatible casserole to mix everything in, or you can use cast iron skillet. I've got just my regular skillet. I'm going to transfer it into my casserole. Over medium heat, brown your ground beef. So the hamburger is browned, and if you have excess grease, go ahead and drain it now. Now it calls for a 1-quart casserole dish, but I'm adding a little bit extra. I probably could make do with a 2-quart, but I have a 3-quart here, and that's what I'm going to be using. Drain your meat, and then just put it in the casserole dish. And like I said, if you have a stovetop casserole that you can use, you can do it all in the one pan, or if you have cast iron skillet, you can do that. But I dumped it in the 3-quart casserole dish, spread it out. I'm going to dump the spaghettiOs in, and I love spaghettiOs. And then dump in the 8-ounce can of drained peas. I have mixed vegetables, 12 ounces frozen, that's thawed. And the 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And mix that all together. I almost forgot, you want to put in your 1/3 cup sour cream. I put in about half because I had extra, and stir that in with everything else. Then put your PotLuck pasta in a 400-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes. So here is the PotLuck pasta, and rounding out the meal is cornbread. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Man, there's a whole lot going on in there. Looks like that would be a fairly easy, quick meal.
It's very easy.
Is it? Okay. I like it. It tastes good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.